A gentleman no deal. A gentleman no deal.
Take over street.
Take over street. All oppressors, then go run away. When masses take over street.
When people
Worship like this. Take over street, take over street. When people take over street, all oppressors, they go run away. When people take over street,
greatest Nigerian people,
praise,
greatest Nigerian people,
praise.
we are here today to, as always, tell the Nigerian government that they have failed not on protecting the lives and properties of Nigerians alone.
Yes.
They have failed to uphold the core value of democracy. Today, we are here to tell the U.S. Embassy that Omoyele Sowore Stephen is still restricted within the borders of the FCT. Today, it is crystal clear that the court are in conjunction with the executive playing Maradona with justice in the courtyard of justice.
Exactly.
Today, we say enough is enough to tyranny.
Yes.
Omoyele Sowore is simply not a problem of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes.
Omoyele Sowore has only advocated for a better and sound educational system. He has also said the healthcare system should be of top notch. He has also been vindicated yesterday when Aisha Buhari said Nigeria should invest more on better healthcare system.
Yes.
What more should be said other than this? Our top elder statesmen have been taken away in the cold hands of death due to bad healthcare system. Abakari, Funtua, they all died simply because we had little or no healthcare sector in this country. I'm happy today that Aisha Buhari, she's fine. She's back to the country. And she has joined the legion. She has joined Stephen Sowore in advocating for a better healthcare system.
That is it.
I think that should think better. Now, Omoyele Sowore has been restricted to Abuja, where he has no house, he has no family, he has been cut off from his friends. Today, he's still within the confines of state arrest against his fundamental human rights. We are calling today for his unconditional release, all charges dropped against him. The US today still remains the friends of democracy, remains our friends, and we are still calling on them to, as a matter of urgency, considering the expediency of now, ensure right is protected. Today, not only Bakare, Lance Corporal Martins is being detained illegally. Why? For speaking up the truth. Our soldiers today keep dying in their numbers. Our policemen today keep dying in their numbers because we have a system that does not work. A system that does not take their welfare in consideration. And all this must stop. We are here today to advocate not just for Omoyele Sowore, to advocate for also the police force, the soldiers, that their welfare is what matters to the Nigerian people. They must be fine to take care of other Nigerians. They must be well equipped to protect the do this thing. We call today on the federal government of Nigeria to, as a matter of urgency, respect all orders of court. El Zaki is held perpetually in bondage today because of a court order that has refused to be obeyed. We can today find that the in a country, in the same country that works for all. We are calling for a country that works for all, irrespective of religion, irrespective of class, irrespective of region, irrespective of political affiliation or political thought processing. We call for a Nigeria that truly works. Great Nigerian people, greatest Nigerian people. We believe in democracy. We believe the US as one of the founding fathers of democracy and also the international police. We believe justice will be served and justice will be done.
Of the greatest Nigerian people. Of the greatest Baba. Of the greatest Gogo. Of the greatest from the boat.
Greatest Nigerian students.
Great.
Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
Greatest Nigerian citizens.
Great.
I want to talk.
Talk.
I want to yarn.
Yarn.
I want to pour.
Power.
We are here again. This is uncountable times. We've been coming. We've been coming and coming and coming. And we'll continue coming. We're not giving up. Yes. Citizens have their rights
They're using the catch
to
trace for
protect.
Guy, relax now. What did
Just
you
like
say?
the security officers staring at us, they have their rights to protect.
We send healers for
We see our people dying every
send-
day. Two of us.
send-
Two. We
send
see our army died in Maiduguri every day. Two of us. Two. We see our students being molested, sexually harassed every day in this country. Two of us. True. Is it not because of bad governance? Is it not because of bad governance? Insecurity on a high level. How many people were killed? Just yesterday, the IPOB people died how many? In the hands of the police officers or the security officers. Is that fair? No. Is that a country that is calling itself democratic country? No. Are we not supposed to be speaking? Yes. Do we supposed to be quiet?
No.
Are we not citizens?
We are
Don't
citizens.
we have rights?
We have rights.
Are we not protecting ourselves?
We are protecting ourselves.
Good. It's not our future that we are standing here for? Yes. We are under the rain. How many of you want to be under the rain now?
No.
No way, but we have to speak. Nigeria belongs to all.
Yes.
Nigeria belongs to us.
Yes.
And our rights must be protected.
Yes.
We call on the US government to, once again, just like they have been doing, to also call on the Nigerian government to end this nepotism, to end this insecurity,
Yes.
to end this corruption.
Yes.
We are dying every day. Of the greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
Of the greatest Nigerian people.
Great. Of the greatest Nigerian people. Great. I want to yarn.
Yarn.
I want to ba.
Ba.
I want to key.
Key.
I want to. You see, even the heavens approve of today.
Yes.
Even the heavens approve of today.
Yes.
And that is the reason why we are here. Why we are here this morning is just like a child that has been beaten and he or she runs to the father or mother for cover.
Yes.
So we are here to meet with the US government to intervene on the issue of our leader, on the release of our leader.
Yes.
He has been on city arrest. Now the truth is, whether the Nigerian government likes it or not, Sowore remains the big brother that we know.
Yes. Exactly.
And we are the youth of Nigeria that have decided to follow a leader with two eyes.
Yes.
We don't want somebody coming out with one eye and say he's a big brother and want to follow. No, we are not that kind of youth. We are here, we have decided for posterity.
Yes.
We are here because we believe in tomorrow.
Yes.
We are here because we see a future in Nigeria.
Yes.
But there are some people, there are some shenanigans that don't see future in Nigeria. They don't believe in our future because their future was yesterday and they want to eat into our future.
Yes.
But as Nigerian youth, would you allow that to happen?
No!
That is the reason why we are here. We don't mind the rain falling on us. Even if the heavens like, let it rain down fire, we will keep talking.
Yes.
And nobody can silence us.
Exactly.
Because we want a better future for Nigeria.
Yes.
Because we want a better security architecture in Nigeria.
Yes.
Because we want a better healthcare system.
Yes.
Because we want a better education for our people.
Yes.
Because we want a good life. Is that too much to ask for?
No!
Of the greatest Nigerian people.
Great!
This is our humble summation this morning.
Yes.
This is our humble plight, and it represents what the entirety of the Nigeria of the heart of Nigerians.
Yes.
And so we are calling that the U.S. government should intervene in this matter as they did even in the first case.
Yes.
Greatest Nigerian people.
Great! Greatest of the greatest Nigeria people.
Great!
The greatest of the greatest of the Nigeria people.
Great!
I want to talk.
Talk!
I want to yarn.
Yarn!
If this talk no talk, may we do the do. And that is why we come here. It don't dey when we dey talk all this while, all these days. And we don suffer for this Nigeria na our papa land. But e dey pain us say as our papa land we dey live like slave inside our papa land. Omoyele Sowore, him as a person, no be say he no dey live well before he say make come fight for our rights. No be say he no dey chop well when he come say okay make he come tell Make contact government say make they give us good road, make they give us good hospital. Thank God, he get witnesses for government now. He get witnesses for government for that one. For bad road, every one of us now witnesses now will be. So wetin I dey try tell you una be say we no get good health care, we no get good roads, we no get good educational system. Education that we go educate ourselves finish, you no go fit practice wetin we go school for. You see engineer in Nigeria, he no go fit do anything when he say he study for school. Why? Because of bad education system. The labs are not equipped, the students are less empowered. After graduation, no employment. So many things they bundle in this country, and that is why we say this country go work. That's why we are saying this country go better. Yes, so and anybody when say keeping Omoyele Sowore for prison in Abuja, I call it a concentrated prison in Abuja, whereby you no fit travel to the north, east, west, and south, but just to remain in Abuja. In as much somebody like that day, my brother, I tell you na lie, you na don't dey lie. Nigeria go better because we get with the Nigerian that we be the government. Now because the constitution permit us to say our mind. That is why today we are here at the U.S. Embassy. We are here at the U.S. Embassy to tell the people what, my friend, to tell the people what is going on, to let the U.S. government know what is going on. Thank you very much.
Of the greatest Nigerian people, yes. Of the greatest Nigerian people, yes.
Within the confines of the FCT. He has not been tried. They have been playing Maradona in conjunction with the judiciary, the Court of Justice, without hearing his case. We've been in court a couple of times. They have refused hearing his case. On one occasion, the case was enlisted. On the other occasions, the courtyards were shut down. In the democratic setting, sir, we're here today to remind you, as one of the founding fathers of democracy, and as important as the US is to the international democracy system, we also to tell you, as humble as we are today, civil, and even under the rain, we're taking the pains to really come tell you this is the situation on the ground. And it's interesting also to understand, sir, that Corporal Lance Martin, a military official, who came out publicly to tell Nigerians that they are being starved, they are ill-equipped when it comes to materials and munitions to fight. He's been detained and taken for court martial. We've gone to court to demand his release. Until today, the military have refused obeying court orders for his release. Finally, sir, as we speak, sir, the country is in total mess. Our educational system is in shambles. Where? But they can't open up our academic session, the healthcare system. Commented the bad state of the healthcare system, that she wants the healthcare system to be improved. And it interests you, sir, that she's the wife of the president and the president isn't doing anything. We've lost 2 of our elder statesmen in the course of the pandemic. Why? Because we had ill-equipped healthcare system. Issa Funtua died as a result of bad healthcare system. Abba Kari, which was the former chief of staff, died on the scene. What happens to other poor Nigerians today, sir, that who can access healthcare system? Sir, we want you to communicate our displeasure over our government as youth of this country to the United States, as a big brother that they are, that our country is failing us. The media space is being stifled. Even though we are here today, we have had so many military officials, as you saw over the news on the Revolution Now Day, chasing us for doing absolutely nothing. Unarmed, just our voices, registering our displeasure. Thank you, sir.
Right. You have something for me?
Yes, sir.
I'll make sure it gets to the right people.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir. But sir, we actually want an acknowledgement to that, sir. It's a double. Just in there. If we could get someone to acknowledge it, we could get the acknowledgement later, sir.
What's that?
Acknowledgement later.
I don't. I'll sign it.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
May we
I
meet
give
you,
you my
sir?
word. I do this once a week. I'll make sure it gets to the right
Thank
people.
you, sir.
Okay, sir.
The name, sir.
Huh?
The name, sir.
How much, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
A senior embassy employee is good enough.
Okay.
Okay? Well,
Thank
good
you,
luck, and just make sure we don't block the traffic, and you're welcome to stay as long as you like.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir. It's okay,
All
sir.
right. Take
Thank
care.
you, sir.
Thank you. Good luck.
I'm glad.
No, they go. Before they start this.
Before then go.
Start to the scene again.
Social revolution, social revolution.
We never finish now.
We never finish
This
now.
man, just did the blow cigar for the
We want to do something before revolution.
That man, now we're going to see that one on Namdi. Get this one. But I know they give me the
Tona.
guys, turn, and they go. Oh, you go do this.
I got it.
That guy is blue bag. Serious. You know. Who they sing now? Who they sing now? For your master.